We are given the set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the relation R, which is defined as R equals to ordered pair A comma B, such that absolute difference, that is mod of A square minus B square, is less than 8. So this is absolute difference of their square, that is ordered pairs square. So this is the condition for which the relation is defined. So when we have to write the relation, so before we start writing the pairs, we must check the condition whether the absolute difference of their squares are less than 8 or not. So we need to take the values of A and B from the set A only. So now let's consider for A equals to 1, we can take value of B from set A only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For all values of B equals to 1, 2, 3, we will check whether it is satisfying the condition or not. Okay. So for B equals to 1, where A equals to 1 only, so we are checking whether this relation is valid or not. So is A square is 1 and B square is also 1, that is 1 square minus 1 square, that is 0, which is less than 8. Hence this pair is valid. So we will write the pair as well, that is 1 comma 1 is valid pair. Now let's take B equals to 2. For B equals to 2, we can see 1 square minus 2 square, that is 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. The absolute value is plus 3. The 3 is less than 8. So it is also satisfying, or it is a valid pair, that is A equals to 1 and B equals to 2. Let's take B equals to 3. So we will get 1 square minus 3 square, that is 1 minus 9, that is minus 8, that is 8. 8 is equals to 8. 8 is not less than 8. So this pair is not valid pair, 1 comma 3. So let's take B equals to 4. So for B equals to 4, we can see 1 square minus 4 square, that is 1 minus 16, that is 15. So 15 is greater than 8, not less than 8. So it means that the B equals to 4, that is A equals to 1 comma B equals to 4, is not valid pair. And we will check for B equals to 5 as well. For B equals to 5, it is 1 square minus 5 square, that is 1 minus 25, that is 24, which is also greater than 8, which is also not valid pair. So now let's check for A equals to 2. We will take B equals to 1 value first. We will check. So it is 2 square, that is 4 minus 1. It is 3, which is less than 8. Hence 2 comma 1 is the valid pair. So we will check for B equals to 2. So it is 2 square minus 2 square, that is 0, which is less than 8 as well. So 2 comma 2 is also a valid pair. Let's check for B equals to 3. So we can see it's 2 square, that is 4 minus 3 square, that is 9. The 4 minus 9 is minus 5. The absolute value is 5, which is less than 8. So 2 comma 3 is also a valid pair. For B equals to 4, we can see 2 square is 4 and 4 square is 16. So 4 minus 16 is minus 12, which is absolute value is 12, which is greater than 8, which is not less than 8. Hence 2 comma 4 is not a valid pair. Let's check for last element, that is B equals to 5. 2 square is 4 and 5 square is 25. So 4 minus 25 is nothing but 20 minus 21. Absolute value is 21. So 21 is greater than 8, not less than 8. Hence this 2 comma 5 is not a valid pair. Let's check for A equals to 3, where B equals to 1 first. So we will get 3 square minus 1 square, that is 9 minus 1, which is 8. 8 is equals to 8. 8 is not less than 8, hence it isn't a valid pair. Let's check for B equals to 2. So we will get 3 square minus 4 square, that is 9 minus 4, that is 5. which is less than 8, hence this 3 comma 2 is a valued pair. Let's check for b equals to 3. It is 3 square minus 3 square, which is 0, which is less than 8 as well. Then 3 comma 3 is also valid pair. Let's check for b equals to 4. So it is 3 square minus 4 square, that is 9 minus 16. So 9 minus 16 is nothing but minus 7, that is plus 7 absolute value, which is less than 8. Hence 3 comma 4 is a valid pair. If you take b equals to 5, then a square is 3 square, that is 9. 9 minus 25, that is b square. So 9 minus 25 is 16, and 16 is greater than 8. So 3 comma 5 is not a valid pair. Now let's check for a equals to 4, b equals to 1. So we will get 4 square, 16 minus 1, that is 15, which is greater than 8. Then it is not a valid pair. Let's check for b equals to 2. So it is 4 square, 16 minus 2 square, 4. 16 minus 4 is 12, which is also greater than 8. Hence it is not a valid pair. For b equals to 3, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9. 16 minus 9 is 7, which is less than 8. Hence this 4 comma 3 is a valid pair. Now let's check for b equals to 4. So it's 4 square minus 4 square is 0, which is also less than 8. Hence this 4 comma 4 belongs to the relation. Now let's check for b equals to 5. It is 4 square minus 5 square, that is 16 minus 25. So 16 minus 25, which is 9, which is also greater than 8. Hence 4 comma 5 is not a valid pair. Now let's check for a equals to 5. So b will be, for b equals to 1, the relation, this we need to check the relation is satisfied or not for this pair. So 5 square minus 1 square, the 25 minus 1 is 24, which is greater than 8. Hence it is not a valid pair. For b equals to 2, it is 25 minus 4, that is 21, which is also greater than 8. Hence it is not valid. b equals to 3. So 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. So it will be 16, which is also greater than 8. Hence it is not valid pair. For b equals to 4, it is 5 square minus 4 square, that is 25 minus 16, which is 9, which is also greater than 8. Hence it is not a valid pair. For b equals to 5, we can see 5 square minus 5 square, that is 0, which is less than 8. Hence it is valid pair. So last pair is 5 comma 5 pair. So this is the relation which satisfy the given condition. The absolute difference of their square is less than 8 on the set A 1 2 3 4